What is up, guys? Moderate Mods, and today I am back with another video. This is the third mod I'll be doing today. If you haven't checked out the other two already, go ahead and check them out. They should be the two newest videos right below this one right here. So let's get right to it though. Today I'm going to be doing some rear splitters. I picked these things off of Amazon for about 25 bucks, I think, or somewhere around that price range, $24.99, something like that. And just a heads up, guys, before you get to blasting me, yeah, they're cheap. That's the whole point. I'm just testing them out. I'm trying to see what they look like, and I'm trying to show you guys what they look like on the vehicle. So, you know, hold it back and let's see what they look like. Let's get through the video first, right? So here they are. This is one. I went with the carbon fiber. It is definitely plastic, a little flexible. Feels mid-grade. It doesn't feel heavy duty. It definitely has no weight at all. But it is a large piece, as you can see. For those of you who know me, I got a big head, so this is pretty big. And yeah, so I think it's gonna look nice. The 200 does have a pretty big back end, and I didn't know how this would really line up with my car and whatnot, but I think it's gonna look pretty nice actually when I'm all said and done here. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit more of what came in the package, as well as what steps are gonna be needed, and let's get straight to it, guys. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so getting to what came in, this is it. The two splitters here, left and right, and a nice little packet of screws here. This is a screw-in mod. Not somewhere where you're going to be seeing the screws, but it's not something you really want to tape. I know they sell tape ones, but even if I bought a tape one, I would still screw it in. I mean, how much of that can you really trust when you're up underneath your car? You're dealing with rain, you're dealing with snow. If you live in certain areas, you really want something that's going to hold in tight there. So comes with some nice screws here. Looks like it came with 6, so 3 for each one, and feel free to use more if you feel more comfortable doing that. I may or may not, I don't know yet, but that's the packaging. So let's go ahead and check out what are the steps needed to do this. Coming up beside the vehicle, first thing you want to do is you want to map out where you're going to put this thing. So the 200 here, kind of dirty under there, then got him out sticking it, right? But the 200 here has a really good fitment for this one, honestly. It's the perfect length in a sense, because I am going to be getting some mud or splash guards here soon, so I'm going to be careful on where I align this, because I don't want this to be interfering with that mod that is coming up. So I think I'm going to get this notch right here, right to the back there, and I'm going to work with something along those lines. And like I said before, guys, this thing it's plastic, so it's pretty like flexible. You can almost adjust it and tweak it to however you want it to go in, and I'm liking that setup right there. So once you find out where you like it, go ahead and clean up your area a little bit, and then begin the install process, which is just screwing it in. You want to find placement and then screw in 3 screws. So I'm gonna go right to it, guys, and I hope you enjoy.